welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. Today I'm here at the Best of Times Garden in Rosemead High School, and I want to talk to you about something you'll probably find in your vegetable garden this summer. It's called powdery mildew. It generally appears on your plants like a white sort of fuzz over top of the leaves, and it usually attacks your young baby plants first because they're the most susceptible to the disease. So although the fungus won't kill your plant, it does inhibit its growth. So controlling the fungus will help the plant grow faster and produce better. So there's some basic things you can do organically to prevent the growth of powdery mildew. The first one is making sure you have enough sunlight. So I have an example here of a pea plant that I planted several months ago. And as you can see, it hasn't gotten very tall. A pea plant that's been in the ground this long should be huge. It should have tons of peas on it. I should be harvesting buckets of peas. But as you can see, I've only got like 2. So the reason that is this plant's being attacked, not getting enough sunlight, and also too crowded. So the lack of sun and the overcrowding is causing the pea plant to be stressed, and that's what's causing the powdery mildew. So there are some sprays you can make at home that are organic and will control the powdery mildew if you can't change the sun and the overcrowding elements, because sometimes you just have a shady garden and there's not much you can do about it. You can make a spray out of milk, white vinegar, and organic dish soap, or baking soda. Most of the recipes are just 1 tablespoon to 16 ounces of water. So you want a 1-to-10 ratio when it comes to mixing with water. It should always be diluted when you're spraying something on your plants. So if you have more questions about how to make your own homemade recipes for fungal sprays, you can reach out to us on our website at ecoUrbanGardens.org. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so I can keep making all these fun videos for you. Thanks so much and have a great week.